land in Docking Bay 11.
I sent you my position 3 weeks ago. I told you this was happening.
We'll discuss that in private, Doctor. Palmer.
What has she done? How far has it already gone?
Good work, Osiris.
What do you think that's about?
I haven't seen Chief press himself like this since we were in boot camp.
He's fine, Fred.
This many missions non-stop isn't fun.
Sierra 117 to Infinity. Blue team has located Argent Moon. Signs of hostile activity, but she's still here.
Copy that, 117. Eliminate all hostiles. Secure Argent Moon. You may deploy when ready.
Affirmative, Infinity. 117 out.
Here you go.
Thanks, Kelly. Everyone ready?
Affirmative.
You good?
Blue team, fall out.
The Envoy are resisting. Throw the Envoy out the airlock.
Research station. Went dark 19 months ago. Last week, KGR scavengers found it and sold the find to Jula and Damas.
We clear the Covenant and return this station to Oni.
Fastest route to retrieve is to see Central Control. Eliminate hostiles between here and there, and deactivate gravity and life support systems. Ship data center is just ahead. We can hold down Argent Moon schematics there.
Looks like they were designing a new stealth class vessel.
They lost years of expensive R&D with this station.
You can have his rations tonight.
Back in it.
Data center is just ahead. Let's go.
Data center.
We've got a complete set of dataset keys for the station. We should be able to pull down Argent Moon schematics and find a path to central control.
Access the databanks. Grab the data and current population map.
Should be a straight shot to central control through the assembly bay ahead. We're still probably in the hangar base. Nobody from ONI got out of here alive, did they?
No.
Let's go.
Elevator here.
Central control straight across this bay.
Everything's ripped up. They must be stripping that experimental ship for parts.
Scavengers, taking what supplies they can find. The Covenant's war against the Arbiter must not be going well.
Jul 'Mdama is a lot of things, but he's no prophet.
Most direct route to the shipyard is through the wall ahead.
Let's charge through. Let's go, Blue Team. Contact. Need an assist.
Need cover! All set, Chief! Down!
I need support. I'm up. I'm down.
I got you, Chief!
Area's clear.
Hydra here.
get me down. We lost Makino. Get Kino here.
System locked. Give me a hand. I'm up.
Pause.
I'm hit!
Nobody's left standing. Let's move on to Central Control.
Central control is through those doors. Hunter.